Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Tila's Trendy Hole. Today I'm going to be showing you a detailed video of how to cut and sew a waistband properly and neatly. So the first thing you are going to do is to mark the width of the waistband. You can use 4, 5 or 6. That's the highest I can go. The next thing to get is the length of your waist circumference plus your zipper allowance. My waist is 38 plus zipper allowance, which is 40. So I already have excess. I have it at 41.2. The next thing to do is to add your interfacing, but the interfacing is optional. I use hair steel. The next thing you will do now is to eyeball like half an inch. You eyeball like half an inch. So you are going to iron it half or 0.6. It can be more. You iron it till the extreme end of the length. The next thing you do is to determine how your waistband wants to be. If you want to use 1.5, what you are going to do is to mark 1.5 here like that. If you want to use 2, you indicate 2 at several points. But if you are good at eyeballing, all you need to do is just to put your tape like this, then you iron. Let's say I want to use 1.5 now. Let me keep it back on 1.5. Now, this is my 1.5. So I'm already good at eyeballing what I want. This is my 1.5. So let's check. Since I said I'm good, so you can see this is my 1.5. But if you are not as good as me, please just use your chalk to mark at several points. This is my 1.5. Iron it properly. The next thing to do is to mark half an inch or 0.3 at several points and draw a straight line. If you are still good at eyeballing, just make sure the excess is just half or 0.3. It shouldn't be more than half. It can be less than, but it should not be more than. So this is what you have. You are looking at the excess, right? This is what you have. So the next thing you are going to do, bring your skirt. This is the bad side. Now put what you have here. Now this half an inch you had here, you are going to sew it now on the skirt area. So let's go to the sewing machine and do justice to this. This is the bad side of the skirt area, and then this is the side that there is the excess. Now before you start sewing, you have to sew this excess here. So if you're a beginner or you are finding it difficult that if you open to eyeball will give you a problem, leave it like this. But make sure you don't sew on this one, just sew close to the line. So watch what I'm going to be doing. You will now turn to the good side. Then you flip this inside like this. And you will now top stitch at the edge. So let's sew it together. So if you're having issues with straight line, you can use your chalk and mark it straight. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.